Nice. Cool, you got your amp rack right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Trail, man. I have 612, 6.5 on what's it, sundown basket with DTVs. Custom Rico. I think that's the name of it. Let me get out of there.
DTX. Okay, gotcha. Yeah. You're recoding them with DTX. All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. He's got 2 subs here and 4 inside of here. 6.5 order. Nice. Very nice, man. Did you build this in the vehicle? Like, you built it? Awesome.
Matter of fact, Steve built it.
Steve, okay.
Steve and the guy, you know, SMS.
Yes.
But I don't know where he at, but yeah.
So what is your amp wired to on the subs?
Wired to 1.6, I think. Okay. 1.6 ohm.
All right. And it's a 4th order?
6.5.
6?
Yeah, 612 full back here.
Oh, I see the arrow ports in the corners.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, one behind each seat.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is a different type of build then. All right.
Yeah.
You got subs back behind. All right.
Yeah.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah.
So what's your electrical like, your alternator battery?
I have 2 370s. I have 5 tight batteries underneath here. And I have 1 underneath the hood.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Thanks for all the info. Sorry, I like to know everything.
Oh, yeah, man.
So 6.5 order.
Yeah.
That's what they call it.
Yeah.
2 subs out in the front and then 4 inside.
4 inside.
All right. Really beefy, big amp.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what made you put it, random question, what made you put your system stuff here instead of in the back or underneath or on the sides?
Yeah,
Just curious.
Because about the do, I didn't want it.
Yeah.
You know, get a toolbox. I didn't want it into the do, so I'd rather just put on the electrical in here. You know?
Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
Streets and ladies creaming into the seats. It's DJ Rustical. Got a girl from the south side, got blazing hair. First time I seen her walk by, and I about fell up on my chair. Had to get her number. tried to get her number.
Oh, it's work in progress, but I like it, man.
Yeah.
You definitely can feel the heat coming off the subs. It's hot outside. I know, man. Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name again?
My name's Trail, man.
Trail.
Yeah.
Trail. All right. Give a like to Trail. Thanks for the demo.
All right. I'm always following you, man.
Thanks for
Always.
watching, man. Awesome.
Yeah.
Appreciate you watching. Really beefy, big amp.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what made you put it, random question, what made you put your system stuff here instead of in the back or underneath or on the sides? Just curious.
Because about the two, I didn't want it.
Yeah.
And get a toolbox. I didn't want it